In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Credit Karma to Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is you actually want to open up Coinbase on a desktop or laptop. This will unfortunately not work on the application. You will need to be on a desktop in order for this to work. Anyways, guys, once you went ahead and logged on to your Coinbase account, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select on the top right to our profile picture like so. Then we're going to go ahead and select over here where it does say settings. Then it is going to bring us a menu that looks like this, and all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see this option over here that does say API. And essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an API key, and this API key will basically let Coinbase know that Credit Karma can actually access all the information and stuff like that. So if you're trying to update your net worth, then you will need to go ahead and do this. But anyways, guys, then it is going to take you to the API key management. So all we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and create an API key. Let's go ahead and press on that like so. Then you guys have the option to give it a name. So I'm just going to be calling it test like so. And you guys could also select on the portfolio. So I do have it on default, but if you have multiple portfolios, then you want to go ahead and select on which one is it. And over here, we do have IP whitelist. So if you want to make it so it's specific to only one location, then you guys could definitely do so from here. But basically, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say create and download. It is going to give you your API key name and your private key. Now, guys, here is where things get really serious. Guys, just make sure to keep your API key name and private key somewhere safe. I recommend that you guys copy them and save them down into somewhere, where it's safe. And I even recommend that you guys write these down on pieces of paper because that's how serious it is, guys. So please just make sure to go ahead and save this information because it is only going to show up one time and then it's never going to show up again. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and saved your key, all you want to do is you want to press on this button over here that does say I saved my key. And then there you go. We now have our API key right over here. You guys can go ahead and manage it. Over here, you guys can activate it or deactivate it. But we can go ahead and copy our key ID. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to head over to Credit Karma. And basically, once you're in Credit Karma, you guys can go ahead and use that API key and then input it. And then it is going to take your information from Coinbase and then put it to Credit Karma, where you can go ahead and take a look at your net worth and stuff like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.